Oh, I'm back.
Hi, how you doing? So it's, what is it? It's Thanksgiving morning. We're going to prepare the turkey and we're going to fry a turkey. So my sister went out and she bought one of these Butterball electric fryers.
Not sponsored.
And you're supposed to actually use these indoors, which I was kind of concerned, and I read the manual and it says for indoor use only. So that being said, this is where we're going to set it up. It's good, it's out of the way, and this is a weird feature that if you come down here, so this is the cord. It's a magnetic cord in case somebody like trips on it. It just comes out. So I found that kind of weird. Anyway, so let's go prepare the turkey. So we're gonna clean it, dry it, and inject it with the marinade. So this is a 13.6 or 13.5 pound turkey, and it's gonna fry 3 minutes a pound. You calculate it. Actually, I had somebody else do the calculation because I calculated in 1 year, and I came out with a hunk of charcoal in the shape of a turkey. So this will probably go for 41 minutes, and then after 41 minutes, it's going to sit for another 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to throw all the giblets and stuff in here for now because we're going to use that for dressing. So you come up here, you got all your giblets in here. Take the truss out, and then we should have a neck in here. And ta-da! Here's the neck.
That's the neck.
And there's nothing else in there. So now we're going to take this over to the sink and rinse it. I want to rinse it all over. You want to dry inside and outside, because water and hot oil do not go well together. And this, it's about what, 10:30, 11 o'clock? We got a couple hours before this goes in, so. I'm Batman.
It really did look like the Batman symbol, though.
Okay. So you want to do this well in advance so it has time to sit. I wanted to do it last night, but... So I took a herb and garlic marinade and I strained it to get all the large chunks out. Because if you don't do that, you might have a problem injecting it. I've got a cheap injector here. I just want to...
John, I think that fryer came with an injector.
Yeah, I see that, but I already brought mine, so might as well use it. We'll see how well this one works. If it doesn't work as good, then I'll change it. There's a
safety tip thing.
Safety tip, and basically it's like an injection. Okay, so you're going to start here. You just push it in. And what you're doing is, as you're pushing the plunger in, you're lifting it so you're spreading the marinade out. I feel like a doctor. Dr. Kill Turkey.
So now he's just doing the same thing he did to this side, but on the other side. What herb is that?
This is lemon pepper. I think I should put some salt down.
How long do you have to let it marinate for?
I'm sorry?
How long do you have to let it marinate for?
A couple hours is good. It would have been nice to do overnight, but I was just too tired to do anything last night. Okay.
That's salt that you're putting on
I'm
there?
sorry, that's salt. All right, now we're going to do some lemon pepper. I'm going to use a little bit of adobo. Why? Because it's not my kitchen and this is all I saw in there. And we're going to use the paprika will help it get a nice color. I do need to add stuff on the inside as well, but I'm going to do that last. So you could take your wing, just give it a little tuck behind it like that, and it gets it out of the way.
It smells really good.
Okay, I'm just going to wash my hands, and then I gotta do on the inside. And bird is ready. We're just going to set it aside. All right, so it took an hour to bring the oil up to temperature when it was supposed to be 45 minutes. Okay. Can you get a little closer and
Want me to hold it?
go nice and slow. Out. That's it. So we calculated 3.5. At first we thought it was 3 minutes a pound, but then we saw it's 3.5 a pound, 13.66 pounds. So we're going to go for 45 minutes. Okay, so our 45 minutes is up. Now take it, and then there's hooks here. You hook it, and you let it drain for a couple minutes.
Do you unplug it or no?
That looks good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn. We turned it off and we unplugged it.